So, you're welcome once more to METH. If you're new to the channel, you're highly and highly welcome. Alright, so today's the episode on conversion. Okay, in our previous video, we're able to learn how to convert, between meter, to centimeter. We have decimeter, we have millimeter, okay, picometer, nanometer, and so on. Alright, so whenever you are converting from all this down to this, you want to multiply. Okay, you want to multiply by what? The suffix. Okay, you want to multiply by the suffix, the multiple of the suffix. But whenever you are converting this way, okay, you want to what? Divide. So that is the basic idea of how to what? Convert. I'm going to give us a simple example to start with. Let's say you are asked to, let's say, convert, okay, let's say 50, okay, meter to what? Centimeter. Okay, convert 50 meter to centimeter. All right, so how are we moving? We're actually moving from what? Meter down to what? Centimeter. So all we need to do is we are going to say 50, okay, divide. Since we're coming this way, we are going to what? Divide, okay? Now, centi, okay? If you can remember our code, centi means what? 10 raised to the power of what? Minus what? 2. So all we need to do is we are going to put 10 raised to the power of minus 2, okay? And we can now put what? Centimeter. So this simply converts it. Now, but we can further, simplify this using the idea of what? Indices. So this is going to be 50, okay, times, okay? Remember, this is 1 over 10 raised to the power of minus 2 centimeters. Now, if we apply the principle of indices, okay, to this, okay, this inverse is going to remove what? The minus what sign. All right, so let's see what that gives us. Okay, so the inverse is going to remove the minus sign, and that will give us, we have 50 times what? Is going to be 10 raised to the power of what? 2 centimeters. So this is 50 times what? 100, okay, centimeters. Because the 10 square means what? 10 times what? 10. So converting 50 meters to centimeters, okay, the answer to that is going to be 50 times this is going to be 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3 zeros. So we are going to say 5,000 what? Centimeters. So 50 meters is actually 5,000 centimeters. Let's also try this with some other examples. Okay, so let's apply what the example we've just done to some other examples. We have converted 25 meters to decimeter. So if we are to convert this, all we need to do is we are going to write 25. Now we are going to come to this and see how we go. We are moving from meter down to decimeter, so it means we are going to divide. So I'm going to divide by what? 10 raised to the power. Now what's the sub multiple of what? Deci, okay? It is what? 10 raised to the power minus 1. So we are going to put minus 1. Now this has been converted to decimeter. So immediately you divide by the suffix, you can now input what? Decimeter, which you can further solve as 25 times. We can write it as 1 over what? 10 raised to the power minus 1 decimeter, okay, which is equals to, we have 25 times. Now if you apply the idea of what? Indices, okay, we are going to remove this sign and remove the minus, so it's going to be 10 raised to the power of 1. Whenever you have a minus and you have the inverse sign, you can remove this inverse sign, take this 10, raised to the power of minus 1 up and remove the minus. So this gives us what? 25 times what? 10 raised to the power of 1 to 10. So we have decimeter. So that will give us what? 250 decimeters. Alright, so that gives us the solution for the first one. Alright, let's quickly try the second one. Now for the second one, we have 120. We are moving to what? Centimeter. So we are going to use division and the suffix or the sub multiple is 10 raised to the power of minus 2, which is for centi, and now we can now put our centimeter. So this we can write as 120 times. Okay, you can write 10 raised to the power of 2 centimeters. Remember, like I said, if this is going up, the minus is going to go out. Alright, so this gives us 120 times 10 raised to the power of 2 is 10 times 10, which is 100. So that will give us 120. We can add the zeros. Okay, so we have 12,000 centimeters. So 120 meter is what? 12,000 centimeters. Okay, lastly, let's work on the last problem. Okay, to see what that gives us. We have 75 watt meter to convert, and we are moving all the way to what? Millimeter. So we are dividing by what? 10 raised to the power minus 3. We can now bring this here. Okay, our millimeter. So this can be written as 75 times. Okay, we'll bring this up. Okay, it's going to be 75 times 10 raised to the power of 3. So we have this as millimeter. So this will give us 75 times. This means 10 times 10 times 10, which is 1,000. Okay, so you are multiplying 75 times 1,000. So that will give us 75,000 what? Millimeter. So our 75 meter, okay, gives us 75,000 millimeter. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. With the like button, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I will continue to bring more and more, concepts in physics, for you to understand your basic physics. Alright, see you guys in my next one. Take care.